Hello students, now in the journal, now let's solve sum number 13 today, sum number 13. So let's read first of all title that write journal entry of business commenced by Shri Mauli Shah with the name of Shah Traders. Right, so our title is journal book of Shri Shah Traders, Mauli Shah, journal trader of Shri Shah Traders भी लिख सकते हैं या फिर श्री मौलिक शाह भी लिख सकते हैं, right? Okay, first let us read the first transaction that brought rupees. First transaction brought rupees 50,000 cash, debtors 20,000, stock of goods 10,000 and creditors 5,000 and commenced the business, right? Now see entry for this. Cash, debtors and stock of goods are brought into the business. All are real account, right? This is personal account. Debit what comes in. This is also comes in, so debited. Debtors becomes receiver, so debit the receiver, so debit. Creditors are always credit to creditors account 5,000. अब ये to capital account, how do we write down the amount? See 50, 20, 10. Total of that comes 80,000. 80 minus 5, that comes 70,000. So balance amount we have to write down. 50, 20, 10 comes 80 minus 5,000, so balance comes 75,000. Because both the side debit and credit side should be tally. Now the next, deposit cash of rupees 20,000 with Vijaya Bank and open an account. This is again an easy. Vijaya Bank becomes receiver, debit the receiver, so Vijaya Bank account debit 20,000, cash goes out from the business, so to cash account credit 20,000. Third one, goods of rupees 20,000 purchased from Sumul at 10% trade discount and 10% cash discount, paid half amount by check. Now see the working for the Sumul. We have purchased the goods of rupees 20,000 from Sumul. 10% trade discount तो already cut कर ही देना है, right? That 20,000 10% comes 2,000, so balance comes 18,000. Now for this he paid half amount by check, so इसका half अगर करे तो 9,000 and 9,000. तो इतना क्रेडिट ट्रांजेक्शन, इतना कैश ट्रांजेक्शन, राइट? कैश और बैंक ट्रांजेक्शन. जितना कैश ट्रांजेक्शन हो हम उस पर ही हम कैश डिस्काउंट कैलकुलेट करेंगे. तो 10% CD 9,000, 10% कम्स 900, so balance comes 8,100. This one we write down. This one we write down as bank, and this one is our discount, and this one remains with the Sumul. Right, now how do we pass entry for this? See, purchase account debit 18,000, to Sumul account 9,000, to bank account 8,100, to discount account 900, right? This is how we can pass entry for this transaction. Now the next transaction, furniture of rupees 15,000 purchased on credit from Punit Furniture Mart, a carriage of rupees 100 paid in cash. Now see entry for the furniture, that furniture account debit 15,000 to Punit Furniture Mart account credit. So for that we pass entry furniture account debit to Punit Furniture Mart account credit 15,000, right? Now see here in the transaction a carriage of rupees 100 paid in cash is given. So for that also we pass a separate entry, that is cash carriage account debit to cash account credit. That I forget to write down, so you write down in your notebook that a carriage account debit 100 rupees to cash account credit 100 rupees, right? And then write down the being, that paid carriage in cash. Now next, fifth one, a defective goods of rupees 3,000 returned to Sumul. Now we are returning goods to Sumul. In this transaction we have done purchase from Sumul. Now in this transaction we are returning goods, so it becomes purchase return for us. Sumul becomes receiver, goods हम Sumul को देंगे तो Sumul becomes receiver. Now see entry for that is Sumul account debit to purchase return account credit 3,000, right? Next transaction, transaction number 6, Goods of rupees 12,000 sold to Rajeshri at 10% trade discount, 10% cash discount, and paid half amount by check. Same working as Sumul's working, right? Now first of all look at the entry. This is sales account. Working remains same as Sumul's working, so you do working yourself. आप अकाउंटेंसी ऐसा सब्जेक्ट है कि आप जितना खुद से प्रैक्टिस करोगे आपको उतना ही समझ में आता जाएगा, राइट? सो आई विल शो ओनली एंट्री वर्किंग यू डू योर सेल्फ. दैट राजेश्री अकाउंट डेबिट 5400, बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट 4860, डिस्काउंट अकाउंट डेबिट 540 टू सेल्स अकाउंट क्रेडिट 10,800. Now the next one, that is 8th one, goods of rupees 15,000 sold to Mahindra on cash at 10% TD and 10% CD. Now first of all on cash is given, so this is the cash transaction. So cash discount हम cash transaction में ही calculate करेंगे.